it is, you're right.
I think they know that they're in the way, that's why they're pulling over.
It's just that there's another one on the road, Mark.
It's looking as if I want a bit of that.
Don't kill it. This one's gonna, that car's going to go over it.
It's not. The more you drive. Well, I'm not
There's
hanging
two of them.
around here.
There's two of them. Ambush. There's two of them. The other one's got on as well. On the same car. I think there's one on the front and one on the roof. Look at it. Oh no.
Look shocked. Right, look shocked.
I think we already do.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's eating the glue. It's eating the glue.
He's not happy. He is really not happy. How many bets is going to say I want some money for this?
They're trying to come.
Oh, that woman's there now.
Ah, the monkey's just.
He knows.
Really?
Yeah, she's pointing to the roof and going.
I'm in lumber now. Has it run off with it? Or has it just detached it?
She's saying pull over there.
Pull over and put it in your boot. You've had it.